Muli na naman tayo nagbabalik mga chong.
Yes, sir.
Ang video ito ay handog sa inyo ni Kuya Stefano TV. The top 10 Pinoy funny moments nang si Speed ay bumisita sa ating bansa. Pag-usapan na natin ito, chong. Enjoy watching.
Wait a minute.
Testicle balls! Yes, yes, yes! Bruh.
Mga chong, tara nats mag-subscribe sa ating munting channel. For more Pinoy funny moments, click na. Tumutok sa top 10, chong. Yung first time mo makita si Idol. Tapos di ka nagpapatinag sa kamao.
Body. I'm gonna go, hey look, I'm gonna go like 70%, okay? Like 70%, okay? You didn't have to cut me off. Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year, everyone!
Goods lang daw sila ni Idol Manny. Mukhang huling subok na ni Speed. Baka daw sa ospital na huling bamon niya. Ito naman ang pangsyam. Gagamboy ng Pinas, nagpasiklab kay Speed.
Do it!
You serious?
You help me? You can do it!
Bruh.
Pero ayun na.
Boring!
Sa ika-8 part ng video, chong. Tila isang kababayan natin ang nagturo kay Speed ng first words.
Can I teach you some Tagalog?
Yeah, teach me, teach me.
Can I love you, mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Yes, mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
But you can say I miss you. Say
Tangilo.
tang. Yeah, that's say I miss you.
What?
I love you. Yeah, say to my man.
Shut up, speak Philippines now.
Sa video na ika-7, mga chong, nagustuhan ni Speed ang genre ng mga batang badyaw.
Hold on. How the fuck you making that noise with your mouth? You didn't have to cut me off. What the? Hey! Wait, how you doing that? Oh, he cheated. Oh, I thought he was doing that with his.
Ang ika-6 na bidyong ito, nagkakamali ng hinamon si Speed. Basta larong basketball, mga batang court ng Pinas yarn, walang aatrasan. Kitang-kita naman sa mukha ni Speed na hindi papatalo sa bata.
Perfect! Bruh.
Emotional, damn it! Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Ito ang top 5. Si Speed sinubukan ng fast food ng Jollibee. Mukhang first timer at mabubulat ka sa kanyang natamong reaksyon.
This better be better than KFC. All right, chat. This is Jollibee. I'm gonna chat everybody in the Philippines quick. So let's check it out. Didn't have to cut me off. What the? What the? What? Hold on. Why this shit so good?
Oh my!
What the hell he mean? Why this shit so good? What the fuck? Who seasoned this? I thought y'all was dragging it. What the f?
Ang bidyong ito ay top 4. Natutuwa ka na ba, Chong, sa ating pa-top 10 ng Pinoy Funny Moments? Tumutok lang. Kakantahan ka ni Speed.
Galing Queen Go King lahat para sa'yo.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Kung dito ang gadalian upang magkasundo tayo.
Halata naman na huli ang kiliti ni Speed ang ating idol.
Filipino.
Top 3 nang subukan ni Speed kainin ang balot. Mapapalaugh trip ka na lang sa crowd.
I hold him up. It's a duck, little duck. It's a little duck, 18 days. You didn't have to cut me off.
Sa pangalawang part ng bidyong ito, may ilang clips na halos matroma si Speed sa tila pusa na nagpaparamdam sa kanya.
Meow, meow. Yeah, meow, meow. That's meow,
Meow, meow. What you mean meow, meow?
I've
had.
No, I'm just kidding.
What?
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Meow, meow. No, hell no.
Yes, sir.
Meow, meow. Who just said that?
No, it's quack, quack. It's quack, quack. That's quack. That's yesterday.
So that was a f***ing lie.
Para naman sa last part of the video, ito na yung feeling na halos kamuntikan na mawala si Speed sa sarili.
But that's good. One more. What is this? What is this? What?
Yes, sir.
It's a what?
Big brain, sir. Big brain. Yes, sir.
It's a big spray.
That's not like the meow meow joke, right? You're not playing, right? Meow meow, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
What the?
Try, sir.
What did I?
And the other one is testicles. That one. It's an aphrodisiac.
Testicles, balls. Yes.
Sorry.
Nakaabot ka ba hanggang dito sa dulo, Chong? Dahil sa solid din yung suporta, more videos to come. Abangan pa ang ating mga Pinoy Funny Moments. See you next time, paalam!